Guys, they announced that New Jersey have a very, very bad air condition. And if you see, there's a lot of smoke coming from that wildfire. Hold on, babe. Good morning. I just want to update you. There is a wildfire, forest fire in Canada, and it has affected New Jersey. For people who have COPD and asthma like me, it's not good. It's not good. The air quality here in New Jersey is very bad. Be careful out there. Wear your mask or anything that protects you, because as you see right there, if you see, those are smoke. There are smoke coming in towards New Jersey with all the wildfire that happened during the weekend, and I think it's still going on. And it smells so bad. But yeah, I'm inside the porch. It's all glass window, so I can stay in the porch. But yeah, I have not gone out. It's really bad. Be careful out there, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but all up in the mountain right there, all up in the mountain, you can see smoke. It's not from the cloud, but it's all smoke. As soon as you come out, you will smell all the burnt wood. You cannot barely see the sun because we have all these clouds. It's probably all smoke from that wildfire. And the air quality is not gonna get better until Friday. Oh boy. So yesterday we were out. It wasn't this bad, and they have actually said that it got worse today than yesterday. So this is the difference. 30 minutes ago, it wasn't this dark, and now it got darker here. It got darker. We are getting infested with smoke. And it's just 12 p.m. here in New Jersey, and it got so dark right now. Just so dark. I think I'm gonna move into the basement. Might be safer down there. The porch is now smelling like the smoke is coming in to the porch. So I'm going inside.